Excuse me. Here we are at the Link Light Rail Station. This is Chinatown International District. Which way you want to go depends on what you're trying to do. If you want to go towards the airport, you want to get up here. It says Angle Lake. That's the direction, Angle Lake. Here comes the Link Light Rail. Sound Transit operates these. I think they adjust the length of the train depending on the demand, meaning rush hour trains are longer. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm pretty sure. The train I was on this morning was a bit shorter than this one. It was a pre-rush hour, so maybe. There goes an airplane overhead.
Station now arriving. Please stand behind the yellow line and allow other passengers to exit before boarding.
Am I lucky to catch the other train arriving right as another train departs? Talk about lucky. Whoa. Excuse me.
To Angle Lake.
Stop.